In this video, I'm going to tell how you can claim hosting a summer sale deal through which you can get as much as up to 95% discount. But this is only valid if you click on the link in the description. This is exclusively for the people who click on the link in the description. Once you click an exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here. And now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount from Hostinger. So you can see right now the summer sales are going right now. It's showing 80%, but I'm going to make it 95% discount for you. But first, see why Hostinger. So 30 days money back guarantee is an amazing feature by Hostinger, which is what I like. And if you look around on the reviews on the Trustpilot, 69,980 reviews on Trustpilot is an amazing number for any hosting company. But let's see what people are saying for Hostinger. So 4.7 ratings out of 5 is very good. But let's see what people are saying. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. I have a very positive experience with Hostinger support. Tina was patient, clear, and professional. So you can see I appreciate the support, transparency, and professionalism. Thank you to the Tina and the Hostinger team. So this is what I like, and this is one of the reasons why I am using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and why I want you guys to take the advantage of this special summer discount deal right now over here. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now move over here. And if you plan to use WordPress, Hostinger supports WordPress over here. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger service where you can shift all of your website data free of cost over here. So you can see where the competitors you have to pay $2,400 or more. Hostinger offer all data free of cost with this amazing discount coupon code deal over here. So scroll below. Now move directly to the plans at last. Now these are the 3 plans: premium, unlimited, and cloud setup. The 95% discount is valid on all of the plans, but my recommendation is to do a thorough search of all the plan features function. I'm using the unlimited plan, also known as the business plan. From the last 5 years, my experience so far is very good, but do your research before opting for any of your preferred plans. So let's say I'm going to the business unlimited plan. See, it's 80% discount right now, but I'm going to make it 95% discount for you. So simply select the choose plan over here. Again, this is only valid if you click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal from Hostinger. So after this, now coming on to the billing period, Hostinger by default offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But these are special limited time deals, and they won't last longer, and they won't appear again. So I want you guys to take advantage of it by simply opting for the 48 months deal. After this, claim your free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So I'm going to select my free domain for the first year over here. So I do not have to pay anything additional for the domain. I'm also getting free mailboxes over here. See my order summary over here. It's at 80% discount. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount code. You can find this discount coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply this discount coupon code over here, and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. So 80% discount plus 10% discount is 90% discount. Plus you are also getting daily backups. Reach 100 additional discount, free domain discount, free mailboxes for 1 year discount. So do your math, it's more than 95% saving for you. And this is why I want you guys to take the advantage of this limited time Hostinger summer sale deal right now. After this, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. Now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger account or need to create a new account and synchronize with your Google account. But since I'm already logged in, so I'm at the last part. I can see my order summary over here, write my billing details over here, write your billing details, and simply select the continue to move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment method. And you know that this is what I like regarding Hostinger, that Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose and pay your payment. This is an amazing feature by Hostinger. So, and you know that they even offer country specific additional payment methods as well. So this is amazing. So let's say I'm going to credit card, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And within a few minutes, I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing discount deal from Hostinger. So these are limited time summer sale right now going over here. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the discount coupon code to enjoy up to 95% discount with Hostinger. Good luck.